Hi, this is Vicky Kaushal. Download the Bollywood Times app right now.
My next guest's sixth film is Sanju. Now, his fifth film, Razi, has just crossed 100 crores and is counting. And I'm very happy that his dream profession of action director has come true. You know why, ladies and gentlemen? He's just kicked ass. Vicky Kaushal, welcome to Bollywood
Thanks,
Times.
buddy. Thank you.
Kicking and alive
Tried to.
after Razi.
Feels good, yeah. Feels good with the kind of response that the film got from the critics, from the audience, and like you said, the 100 crore benchmark feels really good.
You've just come out of a cocoon, you know, like it's like 10 film nahi hai, just sixth. Sanju is gonna be a sixth. It seems you really feel, because you are a method actor, Vicky. You get into the role. You've done brave choices from your first film. Does it feel like you've done more than 15-20?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं है. To be very honest, in fact, I still feel like I've only started and somebody just points me out कि boss तुम्हें 3 साल हो गए, छठी फिल्म है. It's not literally like you've just started, but I do feel like I've just started. I just feel like I lucked out on getting the opportunities of working with good directors, being a part of great projects, which gave a lot of credibility.
Right.
Because I feel, I was lucky to be part of stories which clicked with people, be it small films or big films. People took back the story home, and when people take back the story home, they take back the characters home, and I was lucky to just be part of great stories, and I would constantly thrive to be part of good stories.
Awesome, man. Okay, now, I ask this question to actors after they've completed their 25th film or 20 years film.
Okay.
Would you like to work with Rajkumar Hirani? or their dream or their bucket list, where I think I would like to work with Hirani now that my career is almost going to peak and end, or probably, Here you are, working with the best, not one of the
best. Absolutely.
And whatever role comes your way, I mean, this is an integral role, because that touching scene in the entire trailer, probably the most emotional and the only emotional scene in the trailer, is you and Sanju in the hospital. Roar. Was it that emotional when you really heard that part in real life?
So the journey has been quite unbelievable for me to be a part of Sanju. Firstly, like you said, I think every actor in this country, every technician in this country wants to work with Rajkumar Hirani. He is the best director. He's the best storyteller we have. And so for me, strangely, I was the first and the last person to be approached for this part. So it's a very strange story how I got the film. Raju sir called me to his house, and this is 1 year before we started shooting Sanju. कि यार मैं ये film लिख रहा हूँ, बना रहा हूँ, and there's this part in this film, and ऐसा है, हल्का सा gist दिया. I have you in my mind, but it's still, the journey is really far off from now. I'm still writing the script. I don't know वो practically होगा नहीं होगा.
Take shape or not.
But I just wanted to know where you are in life, what you're up to, and this and that. And this is when just Masan had just come out.
Wow.
And for me, imagine Masan abhi aayi hai, and I am having a meeting with Raju sir, and he's saying, I'm thinking of you in my next film. For me, this was like, sir, आपने ये सोचा, मैंने film कर ली, मैंने film जी ली, film hit हो गई, मेरा मोक्ष हो गया है. अब आप लो नहीं लो, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं. आपने घर बुला के ये बोला कि मैं तेरे बारे में सोच रहा हूँ अपनी अगली फिल्म में, मेरे लिए बहुत है. And then a year went by, obviously he was into his film, and जो भी मैं अपनी कोशिशें कर रहा था. And then I got a call again to give a screen test for this film. I was shooting for another film back then, and I packed up and I went to give the audition, and I remember I had to go to another rehearsal because that's when we were doing a song sequence for that film. So मेरे पास 45 minutes थे, and I had to do this really emotional scene for the film. And so I remember I gave this 3 takes, and तो 3 टेक दिए, और मुझे अपने अंदर लग रहा था यार कि यार फॉर राजकुमार हिरानी फिल्म मुझे जल्दबाजी में एक ऑडिशन देना पड़ा, एंड मुझे लगा कि यार ये एक ही अपॉर्चुनिटी थी, ये भी शायद
गई हाथ से.
मुझे लग रहा था कि कि गई एंड हाथ से गई. बट और उसके बाद जब वो ऑडिशन हुआ, एंड मुझे ये था कि भगवान यार मुझे एक और चांस दे दे, मुझे एक और वो फ़ोन कॉल दे दे कि यार एक और ट्राई मारते हैं, एंड आई बी वेरी हैप्पी. सो आई वाज लाइक, एंड आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर दिस कॉल, एंड आई गॉट दिस कॉल. आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम राजू सर, बट ही सेड एक और ऑडिशन नहीं, ही सेड मुझे नरेशन देनी है. एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था मैं कर रहा हूँ या नहीं कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं इसी ऑफिस में आया, राजू सर के ऑफिस में आया, और उन्होंने, आई वाज सिटिंग इन हिज रूम ऑन द सोफा, एंड ही जस्ट केम इन, he just removed his specs and he started narrating. And for the first time I saw somebody narrating without a script or without a laptop, nothing. He just started narrating. And it was like watching a play for 3 hours.
Wow.
He enacted each and every character in the film. He enacted the entire film in front of me. And मैं हंस रहा था, मैं रो रहा था. And it was just beautiful. It was the best narration I've had in my life. And उसके बाद मुझे ये था कि इस फिल्म में मुझे एक सीन भी करने को भी कहेंगे ना, मुझे ये भी कहेंगे ना बैकग्राउंड में मुझे तेरे जैसा कोई चलता हुआ दिखना चाहिए. एक जूनियर आर्टिस्ट का भी रोल होता, I would have been very
झाड़ भी
happy.
बन जाऊंगा.
मैं झाड़ भी बन जाऊंगा, मैं पत्थर भी बन जाऊंगा. And उसके बाद में डर के मारे मैंने सर से पूछा कि तो सर क्या है, मैं हूँ या नहीं हूँ, या अरे सर आप हो इसलिए तो मैं नरेशन दे रहा हूँ. And I was like, तो मैं आई एम लॉक्ड. And he's like, yeah, you're locked. And that तो मेरे नीचे से जो जमीन फिसली है, मैंने कहा to finally come to know from his mouth itself that you know you are a part of Rajkumar Hirani film. For me that was just a day I'll never forget in my life.
Yeah man, it's awesome, isn't it? Okay, Gujarati કેવી રીતના આવડી? I mean like how did you learn? See you're sitting next to like a proper like Patel.
Patel.
You cannot go wrong. Like we've just ruined the yellow pages around the world. You cannot go wrong. Okay, after Patel comes in, yellow pages will never end.
देखो to be very honest, I'll be very honest, गुजराती मुझे बोलनी नहीं आती, पर हिंदी को गुजराती एक्सेंट में बोलनी आती है.
हाँ ये बरोबर कीधु, वो बराबर बोला तू.
ये बरोबर कीधु.
ये बरोबर बोला. हाँ कीधु पण चाले.
हाँ कीधु पण चाले. हाँ तो वो हाँ उतना गुजराती एक्सेंट में बोलने को आता.
हाँ तो अभी से
गुजराती एक्सेंट में इंटरव्यू करेंगे.
चलो ओके. तो मेरे को तेरे को ये पूछने का है कि संजय के जो दोस्त लोग हैं उनको तू मिला कि नहीं?
मैं संजय का जो दोस्त मैं प्ले कर रहा हूँ उनको एक बार मिला. वो एक बार सेट पे आए थे, वो एक्चुअली एलए में रहते, तो वो एलए से इधर बॉम्बे आए थे, तो तब सेट पे आए कि देखने के लिए कि मेरे दोस्त के ऊपर फिल्म बन रही है और उस फिल्म में मैं भी हूँ, तो मेरा रोल कौन कर रहा है. तो वो देखने को आए थे और फिर हम लोग मिले और वैन में बहुत सारे किस्से कहानियाँ उन्होंने शेयर की, जिसको सुन के मैं एकदम हैरान हो गया था कि ये क्या दोस्ती है इन दोनों की. पर बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मज़ा आया, एकदम सरस लगा और बहुत सही दोस्ती है इन दोनों की. इनका नाम परेश है, परिया बुलाते हैं इनको. परिया
तो दूसरे रूम में बैठे हैं.
हाँ कौन?
नहीं
परेश जी नहीं. पर हाँ इट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन नोइंग हिम. बट तभी एक ही दफ़ा मैं उनसे मिला था. उसके अलावा इट्स ऑल्सो एन अमैलगमेशन ऑफ 3 or 4 of his other friends also, but mainly Parya.
When you do real life characters, Vicky, and you are doing your next again, based on true events, what kind of method requires for an actor like you? Because it's not a vast role, but probably one of the most significant anchors in Sanjay Dutt's life. Do you go by just the script? Do you go out? Do you Google? Do you try your level best, hook or by crook, trying to meet someone, get some information out? What is the process like?
See, firstly, you have to, whatever film you do, your step one as an actor should be that you go in with a clean slate.
Okay.
जो आपने पिछली फिल्में की है या जो भी है वो स्लेट खत्म करो, क्लीन करो, go in with an empty cup and try to understand the director's vision first.
Okay.
Because we as actors are only there to execute his vision. Go there, try to understand his vision. Why is he written this film the way he's written the film?
Correct.
So पहले you sit with your co-actors, you sit with your director, you sit with your writers to know कि ये फिल्म क्यों है, कैसी है, उन्होंने क्या सोच के ये फिल्म लिखी, and then let them mold you. So you have to just surrender to his vision and you have to surrender to the director. उसके अलावा there are lot of prep you have to do depending on the character, depending on the film that you do. For this one, on the surface level, वो था कि मुझे गुजराती सीखनी है, गुजराती डायलेक्ट
हाँ.
तो उसमें भी because this film spans over a period of 35 to 40 years, उसमें भी मेरी गुजराती when I'm young एकदम रस्टिक नई एकदम ठेठ गुजराती आना चाहिए. उससे फिर वो 20-25 साल न्यूयॉर्क में रह चुका है, तो कितना उसका गुजराती फेड होगा, कितना अमेरिकननेस आएगा, वो सब पे वर्क करना through the script.
Wow.
So there's this beautiful lady, Dimple Shah, who does Gujarati theatre, who does Gujarati films. She helped me with the dialect in the film. एक लाइन को लेके, और वो एक होता है caricature बनने की बहुत वो chances होते हैं when you play गुजराती and पंजाबी दोनों में ही होता है, हमारे स्पेशली हमारी इंडस्ट्री में.
पर गुजराती are a bit caricatured in right.
Actually प्यारी भाषा बहुत प्यारी है. When you say it ना, वो actually ऐसा लगता है कि you're talking in an animated way already. You know, तो वो बड़ी कोशिश थी कि वो caricaturish ना लगे, natural लगे and real लगे. उस पे मेहनत हुई है. And then so उसके लिए apart from the dialect, I took off and went to Surat. 3-4 दिन में चला गया अकेले Surat. And
ladies and gentlemen, sorry to break you there. In case if you didn't find undhiyu in Surat, you know why.
Yeah, that was my first breakfast.
What are you
I landed in Surat and the first thing, होटल जाने से पहले मैं रास्ते में undhiyu खाया था.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. मतलब outstanding है. But सूरत में so there's this very interesting place. Station के पास ही ना वो Diamond Merchants की पूरी गली है.
हाँ yes correct.
Textile वाले उसके साथ ही. तो वो मुझे पता ही नहीं था. It was like a revelation. Because उसके 2 गली छोड़ के अगर आप घूम रहे हो तो आपको लगेगा भी नहीं कि यहाँ बस शांत है, सब कुछ नॉर्मल है. एक गली ऐसे अंदर घुसते और वहाँ पे करोड़ों लोग हैं जो रास्ते पे बैठ के, और ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ सस्ता बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, डायमंड का बिजनेस कर रहे हैं. और वहाँ जो गुजराती सुनने को और देखने को मिलती है, मतलब धंधे वाले लोग बैठ के अपना काम कर रहे हैं. और मतलब वहाँ जो मेरा रेफरेंस पॉइंट मुझे इतने मिले ना, आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट सिट देयर, अपने फोन का रिकॉर्डर ऑन करके बैठता था. आसपास कोई दिख गया, कोई बात कर रहा है, मेरे पास अभी भी वीडियोस है, चुप के वीडियोस.
What are you saying?
या तो वो सब यू ट्राई टू इम्बाइब ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड पुट इन की कुछ कैरेक्टर को हेल्प कर सकता है.
Very nice. It's a good process, man, for an actor like you. It's amazing. You met Sanjay Dutt
After finishing the film for the first time in my life.
Wouldn't it have been much easier if you would have actually met Sanju, and Sanju's perception or probably the angle would be a bit, interesting?
Of course. No, but हुआ क्या naturally कि जब हम शूट कर रहे थे तब वो अपनी शूटिंग कर रहे थे.
अच्छा.
He was shooting for Bhumi when we were shooting for Sanju.
Okay.
And I remember राजू सर कई बार बोलते रहते कि मैंने संजू को बोला शूट पे आ जाइए, वो आते ही नहीं थे. कहते अरे तू बना ले फिल्म.
ये सही बंदा है.
उनको तो मतलब पता भी नहीं था क्या बना रहे हैं. He's like कि हाँ मैंने अपना कहानी बता दी, अब तेरे को जो बनाना है बना. वैसे थे. He's so courageous and he's so open, about his life. तो सेट पे एक दफा आए थे and that time उस दिन मेरा काम नहीं था तो मैं सेट पे नहीं था. और उसके अलावा फिर वो आगरा चले गए थे, वो अपनी शूटिंग कर रहे थे. एंड देन इट जस्ट हैपेंड कि मैं शूट के बाद ही उनको मिल पाया.
Do you think this will be the bap of all biopics? And it's very cliche to say that because you just mentioned that Sanjay was so open and reciprocal in terms of, I've opened all my cards to you, Hirani. Make what you want to make. No dilution, no adulterated content, nothing. Just, I said it, you make it like that. You think this is a kind of biopic that can also be a game changing in terms of script writing? Because a lot of people are very apprehensive and only want to show the good side of things. Sure. 80% of biopics.
I would like to believe so. Because like I said, जब narration हुई थी, मैं रुक के मैं विरारी सर को ये पूछ रहा था कि सर ये actually हुआ है? And he used to say ये actually हुआ है. And I used to just go, wow. And so these are the things who are really close to Sanju sir. Probably his family only would be knowing, And
I'm
some
sure.
of the things. Yeah, so you just go like, how is it even possible that a guy has lived this life? So like, there's this line of normalcy that we all thrive to be on. कि यार life हम लोग की normal रहे.
Correct.
या इससे थोड़ी ऊपर ही जाए. He is one person who's not lived on this line. He's either lived here or here. He's seen the extremes of goodness or the worst things in life, जो भगवान करे कोई ना देखे. And that's what he wants कि मेरे से अगर मेरी गलतियों को देख के अगर कोई थोड़ा भी सुधर जाता है, so his life would be, so that's why it's so courageous and so generous of him कि he's just ready to be open to the audience about all the mistakes he's done in his life.
If you had to take one element from the script like Sanju and you want to imbibe in your own self, what would be that quality of Sanjay Dutt be?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर किसी का दिल हो तो संजू सर जैसा हो वरना ना हो. He's got a heart of gold and he's a giver and he just knows how to give love. That's it. He's just like a, the most amazing thing is he's such a rare combination of vulnerability and strength at the same time. आपको नहीं पता कि ये अभी मारने वाले हैं या रोने वाले हैं. ये दोनों कर सकते हैं. He's so vulnerable, but he's so strong at the same time. And that's such a rare combination. And he's such a pure soul. Na? When you interact with him, when you talk to him, you just feel like he's such a giver of love. And वो खुले आम देते हैं. And he's abundance. वो सिर्फ वो प्यार देना जानते हैं. And he's the most gorgeous, most beautiful hearted person I've ever met in my life.
I know it's the wrong question to ask, but you have to jot down 3 favorite Sanjay Dutt movies of yours.
3. Vastav.
You picked my choice.
Hasina मान जाएगी. And
never expected that. Okay.
No, I'm a big fan of that.
I'm sure.
Big fan. And I would say Munna Bhai.
How does Hirani ever ask Abhijat Joshi and Rajkumar Hirani this question? So how do you up your game, dude? Like, how can you keep on making every film you've made has done double the collection of the previous film?
Yeah.
Like, how is it even remotely possible on paper? I want to ask you this question because Masaan, a film like Masaan, which is one of my favorite movies, and I have to today publicly tell you, I kept on writing on Twitter after seeing it that it's the best love story I've ever seen. What a beautiful culmination to the movie, and I thought it was one of the most fantastic love stories ever told. In a very different way, you know what I'm saying? So, I want to ask, What is Sanju? Is audience going to see a love story? Is audience going to see a controversial movie? Is audience going to see
They're going to
a
see
super
everything.
dramatic film?
Absolutely, they're going to see everything in one single movie. It's a movie, I feel, you have to see it to believe it. As simple as that. You know, it's not. अगर मैं वो बताने भी जाऊँगा ना, so it's I'm not doing justice to the story.
I know it is.
You have to watch it to believe it.
But a 2.5 hour film and his life of like 30 years, probably more now, summed up in just 2.5 hours. You think this could have also been a great Netflix film or an Amazon film?
It can be a saga. It could have easily been a saga. I mean, obviously, वो 2.5 hours में crunch करना can never do justice to Sanju Sir's life. You know, he's much more than what the film is showing. And obviously, I mean, it can easily be a saga. You know, but I think what Raju Sir has done with the film in terms of its writing and in terms of its execution, I think this could have been the best effort to portray Sanju Sir's life.
One last question before we play this game.
Okay.
Is Paresh, Sanjay Dutt's best friend. What have you taken from him in real life? Why do you think the bond was so strong? Has Sanjay Dutt told you that?
I think नहीं वो मैंने जितना राजू सर से ही सुना जो उन्होंने बातें की है दोनों से उन्होंने डिस्कस किया उनकी लाइफ फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्स दैट आर नॉट शोन इन द फिल्म आल्सो दैट वो बहुत ही वो यारों के यार हैं
Pariya.
हाँ दोनों ही परिया एंड संजू सर टुगेदर दे आर लाइक डूबेंगे तो साथ में डूबेंगे चढ़ेंगे तो साथ में चढ़ेंगे
क्या बात है?
दे लाइक दैट
Wow.
तू जहाँ जाएगा मैं वहाँ हूँ एंड बोथ I mean they're like that to each other
Even today.
even today.
Class.
So I remember we were shooting the scene, which we have the snippets of it in the trailer also. We were shooting the scene in New York, and we get a call from Sanju sir, and they were sitting together in Africa. And so Sanju sir is like, तुम लोग दोनों उधर पार्टी कर रहे हो, हम लोग दोनों इधर पार्टी कर रहे हैं. So they were still together, you know, over here. So they are like brothers. They're like really like brothers.
Talk about your brother from another mother, Ranbir Kapoor. Ever thought that okay, this isn't Ranbir, this is Sanjay Dutt?
All the time.
Like all the time.
All the time. All the time. हमें in fact इतनी आदत हो गई थी उसे
Sanju बोलने की.
नहीं, we used to call him RK and Ranbir, but to see him like that we forgot कि he's just playing a character. Then अगर कुछ time के बाद if we used to meet him like he is as Ranbir, it used to throw us off because we are used to watching now you as Sanju.
Correct.
You know, so वो जब वो walk नहीं होता था and you know that talk नहीं होता था, you used to feel कि wow man, this guy got so much into it and it was just a treat. It was like literally a treat. I remember कि कई बार हम कुछ shoot कर रहे हैं, कोई गाना shoot कर रहे हैं, कोई न्यूज़ कुछ चीज़ shoot कर रहे हैं जिसमें एक नई यूनिट आई है. Like जब गाना shoot करते तो dancers आते हैं, choreographers आते हैं जिनको फिल्म के बारे में नहीं पता, वो सिर्फ वो song में आते हैं. They used to just be in shock कि यार इतने लेवल तक कैसे, you know. And कई बार you like Parya when he had come once on set, he was scared. He was like, how can somebody be so Sanju?
Crazy.
Yeah.
One thing from Sanju that you relate to the most.
I relate to the most. I think his relationship with his father is something.
You and
yeah, so me and
Shyamji.
my father in real life also. It was there was love, there was respect, and there was this good sense of fear also, and a sense of responsibility that I have to make him proud. You know.
you have, my friend.
Thank you. But that I mean, for him also his biggest source of inspiration was his father, and likewise for me also.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to play charades, which
Charades.
or dumb charades.
Oh, okay, great.
Yeah, that's a film, TV show, and a song. Okay.
Film, TV show, and a song. Okay.
Yeah. And of course, you can say the words.
But
number
you
of
know
words.
what the thing is, no? So I have to. Who's gonna guess? Like
We
how-
both have to guess. So I'll pick up.
Now I have to guess. You gonna act?
Yeah.
Okay. Chalo.
How do I do this? This is awesome.
Film. English है. English film सीधे. डमशराज में आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए.
कुछ तो आएगा ना bro.
कोई डॉग. कितने वर्ड्स हैं? 2 words. Dog day afternoon. हाँ. Dog. Second. Dogs. Dog. Money. Rich. Rich dog. पैसे वाला dog. बेचारा dog. Rich dog.
Give up?
Give up.
Slumdog Millionaire, bro.
Oh.
Rich dog, slumdog.
Oh, बहुत subtle acting, bro. बहुत.
Mukesh
Too
Chhabra, if you're watching it, you know what I'm
Too
saying.
subtle for your own good.
Song. Okay. Hindi song. 3 words of the song. Okay. First word. ब्रेक कर रहा है फर्स्ट वर्ड को. आधा. हाँ, फर्स्ट वर्ड ऑफ आधा. मिथुन नहीं. वेट. ओके थोड़ा धीरे. सॉन्ग है. Are you acting someone? No. Okay. झूम बराबर. झूम. हाँ, थर्ड. लोग, प्यार, लोग, इकट्ठा. नहीं, गिव अप यार.
नच देने सारे. सीधे तुम तो जॉनर पे चले गए यार डांस के सीधे.
I can't comment. ले, तुझे भी दिया अभी.
आ जाओ. सिंगिंग. ओके, सॉन्ग.
हाँ.
मतलब हिंदी गाना है पर इंग्लिश वर्ड्स है. तो 2 वर्ड ही है. पहला वर्ड ब्रेक कर रहा है. हाँ. पहला कट ब्रेक. हाँ. ब्रेकअप सॉन्ग. Oh, well done.
सॉन्ग है यार. ये क्या है ये? हिंदी सॉन्ग. 2 शब्द. पहला शब्द टी शर्ट. नहीं, वो शर्ट. काला चश्मा.
पिछली बार हंसा तो मुझे नहीं समझ में आया था.
अच्छा. ओके.
फर्स्ट फिल्म. एक वर्ड का फिल्म. हिंदी. प्रहार. तो बराबर बोला. नहीं, सोल्जर पे है क्या? आर्मी पे. लक्ष्य. ये परमाणु. नहीं, सुन रहे हैं. राजी.
वेल डन.
गुड चॉइस.
हिंदी पे 1 वर्ड. हाँ, यू एक्टिंग. अरे यार, गुंडे.
शाबाश.
Done. Well played.
Thank you.
Well
You
played.
too.
Before we end this interview, my friend, and I say that, and I mean it, a friendly advice for true friends out there who will be watching Sanju. But yes, one of the aspects is about friendship. So if you would like to go out there, all out, all heart out, and give a nice message of friendship, or probably the quote that you want to.
फ्रेंडशिप में यही कहूँगा कि no matter what, don't lose each other's side. Like I said about Parya and Sanju sir also, डूबेंगे तो साथ में डूबेंगे, राइज करेंगे तो साथ में करेंगे. Obviously, be honest to each other, be each other's best critique, and just be there, strong for each other.
Awesome. And when you met Sanju after you finished the film, the first interaction, what was it?
He hugged me, and he said, "तू तो मेरे बच्चे जैसा है," because my dad and him have worked a lot in the past.
Yes.
And he said, "Daddy no phone la."
Arre, lovely.
In Punjabi. And then I made a call to dad. This is like 11:30 or 12 in the night. And he spoke to him for some 10-15 minutes in Punjabi, and then spoke to me very generously, very sweetly. You know, I've been watching your work, tu bahut kamal hai, and everything in Punjabi. And I was like, sir.
Awesome. It looks like this will not be just 100 crores, my friend. Get ready for 500 plus.
Thank you, man.
I'll see you soon on the show again, and God bless you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.